Namaste yogis, this is Geny Caloisi from Yoga and Ayurveda Wellness. Today I wanted to share with you the secrets of the breath. And to start with, we're going to start with Kapalabhati breath. In Kapalabhati breath, we do sharp exhalations through the nose and passive inhalations also through the nose. So everything happens through the nose. And you're going to use your abdominal muscles to press in, without pressing with your fingers, and that way the air will clear out. This is a very, very good exercise to let the bottom half of the lungs get rid of all mucus and anything that you might have been holding for the winter. And in the preparation for the spring is an ideal time to do it. So if you want, just put your hands onto your belly. And to start with, we're going to just feel the exhale, exhale, exhale by using our abdominal muscles. You can keep your eyes closed or open and just focus on the breath. Inhale to begin. And release. That's good for a trial round. So when you're moving your abdominal muscles, you are using that energy to get the air expelled out. Kapalabhati breaths, we're going to do 3 rounds. First round, a little bit slower, 20 breaths. Second round, we speed it up and we do 30 breaths. And the third round is the fastest and we do 50 breaths. And don't worry if you get a little bit dizzy, this is quite common because you are using more air than you would normally. So just enjoy the process, and we're going to take little gaps in between the 3 rounds. You can keep your hands onto your abdomen or relax them onto your knees. Inhale to begin, inhale. 20 breaths. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Getting back to a normal breath. And we're going to do the second round of 30 breaths, just a little bit faster. Inhale to begin, inhale. Inhale and exhale. Stay with that breath. We only have 1 more round to go, and this time we're going to do 50 breaths. Don't worry if you lose count, I will be counting for you. So just let it all go. Let the exhalation lead your exercise. Inhale to begin, inhale. Inhale and exhale. And this is your Kapalabhati breath. If you practice it daily, you will feel a definite increase in your awareness. It's a good stimulant. It's good to do in the morning. It ignites your digestive fire. According to Ayurveda, this is the center of the universe. If your digestion is working well, the rest of the body will work well. And Kapalabhati breath means shining skull. So it will make you very clever. It will make your brain shine with more energy and oxygen. Practice. Namaste.